Now I am going to explain about my Telegram chatbot that links with the Firebase database that I have created using APIs. Coming to my JS file, I included my Telegram bot with the token of that particular bot whose name is ABC bot that I will show later. And the constant bot is taken for the Telegram bot by taking the token into consideration and polling as true. Coming to the initialization part, it includes a key JSON file where key JSON file should be shown as like this from my particular Firebase database. This includes the type, service, account and project ID that I have taken, and the project key ID that is defaultly generated from the Firebase database. This includes these following credentials. Coming to my JS file, my Firebase data store is database is stored into particular constant value whose name is db, and the my collection name is country. This includes the country name and capital of that particular country. I have taken the country API into the request as this particular link, and whenever I type into my bot with message insert, if my input is starting with insert, that means we are going to insert some particular data into our database. For example, the insert will be divided into two types with name and the capital. The name will be the name of that particular country, and the capital will be the capital of that particular country. And if our input is starting with get, that means we are retrieving the information from that particular database that we have stored till then. Then these will be executed. That means we are getting the information that we have stored till then. Or if our message is with start, that means we are entering the chatbot with start message. It will generate the output as welcome to the bot, and it says like if you want to get the country details, we have to click on the country, or we are going to get the Bitcoin details, we are going to click the Bitcoin. That means if we click that means country details, enter get country to get capital. That means if we want to get capital from that particular country, we will get it. Or we can also insert some countries and capitals into our database. And if our option is Bitcoin, then it will generate the roles of particular persons in generating Bitcoins in the blockchain development. If our input is hello, hi or hello, it will generate hello dear user, or if it is bye, it will generate tata. And I have included my Bitcoin API here. If message includes the name of that particular person, it will generate that particular message and the position of that particular person in that field. In this way I have implemented my JS file. Let us see whether this JS file works or not by coming into our Telegram chatbot. This is my Telegram chatbot whose name is ABC bot. Let's start with start ABC. Okay, start. It will generate welcome to the bot, type country or type Bitcoin. I am going to country. It will generate insert country and capital into our database, or enter get country. That means if we want to get capital of the country from the database, we can get it. First of all, we try this particular line, that is inserting some values into our database. Insert. Let us take America, America, Canada. We have inserted it. And insert Nepal, okay, Sri Lanka, Kathmandu, okay, Sri Lanka, Lucknow. And insert China, Beijing. Let's see whether these are included in our database or not by looking into our Firestore database. These are I have already examined. See here, China and Beijing are included, and Sri Lanka, Lucknow are also included with some particular ID, and America and Canada also included. Okay, if you want to get, we have completed this statement, and if you want to get data from that particular data of that particular country, get America. That means we have to retrieve the capital of the America. Get America. Yeah, America, Canada, which we have stored into our database. In this way, we can retrieve the data from our database itself. Okay, if my option is Bitcoin, type name. That means it will ask us to to give particular name of that person who have a role in development of the blockchain technology. For example, Rahul. The position of Rahul in node.js developer is node.js developer. In this way, we can retrieve data from our API itself. For example, if I type hi, it will generate hello dear user. If I type bye, it will generate data. In this way, my database will be generating that particular message, and my chatbot works like this. So by concluding my presentation, I have included countries capitals API, and I generated some countries and capitals values by using your Firebase database, and I have used Bitcoin developing criteria and particular roles of that particular persons in the generating of Bitcoins. So my database will be looking like with country name collections whose name is country, and these are the values that I have stored into my database according to the given input. We can also check whether we have only given I will do like this. We have only given 3 values, right? If you want to get information about other than these values, for example, get Afghanistan. Yeah, I think the spelling mistake. Get Afghanistan. Okay, I have to check some like this. Okay, if we get the value of get China, it will generate China Beijing like this. Okay, if you want to close my database, bye. Tata. In this way, I have implemented my database and API as shown. Thank you for this.